Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi Yassir Walatu Assir Watami Bilhay Rabbi Ziddilma. Assalamu alaikum. This is the book D2 updated 7. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi Yassir Walatu Assir Watami Bilhay. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are good. This is the updated 7th edition of D3, and today we will do exercise 14C from question number 11 to question number 15. Let's start, students. Now, students, question number 11. The table below shows the number of male and female employees working in a front office, middle office, and back office at an investment bank. This is the table which shows the front office, middle office, and back office. Three representative, one from each department, are selected at random to attend a seminar. What is the probability that all three representative are females? Uh, we have to find the probability of this, that all the representative are females from the first office, from the middle office, and from the back office. The probability is the favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes, and we have to combine these probability. Now, students, question number 11, first part, the three representative are females. So we can write it probability of female, female, and female. In the first three, 36, and total number of possible outcomes are 76. And you can observe it from the table, that is 36, and when we add it we get 76. And this is 35, and when we add up we get 90. So we write it like that: 35, 90, 52, and 90. Now we have to solve it. It's come in the table of 5, 7, 5s are 35, and 5, 1 times 5, 4, 7, 8 times. This is 18. 18, 18 1 times, at 18 2 times. And 2 1 times, 2 3 times, 6 and 1 carry, and 2 8 times, 16. These also come in the table of 2. It is 2 1 times and 2 9 times, 19, and 2 2 times and 2 6 times, 26. And both are these comes in the table of 2 2 1 times and 13 and 45 times. Now 7 multiplied by 13 we get 91, and 19 multiplied by 45 we get 855. And now, students, this is the probability of part number 1. Now it's solved. Now, students, the part number 2, the representative from the front office is a male while the other are female. The representative from the first office, that in the first one is male and the other two are female. Then we write the probability like that. Probability of first is male and other two are females. And this is 40 over, and 7 total are 76, and 35 over 90, and 52 over 90. Now we have to solve it. 0 cancels the 0, and 7 7 times 35, and 5 18 times 90. Both come in the table of 2, 2 and 9. This is 9. Both are come in the table of 2, 2 2 times, 1 6 times, 2 3 times, and 1 carry, 2 8 times. Again, both come in the table of 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 9, 19. Now we have to multiply it. 2 multiply by 4, 7, 2 multiply by 7, and then 14 multiply by 13, and we get 182. 9 multiply by 81 and 18 multiply by 19, we get 1539. And now students, this is the probability of part number 2. Now it's solved. Now students, part number 3, exactly one of the representative is a male. That the one representative is a male. So we can write the probability like that. Now students, the probability of this, we can write it like that. Probability of male, female, female, probability female, male and female, plus probability is female, female and male. Male in the front office, male in the middle office and male in the back office. Now we can write it like that. And 40 is 76, 35 90, multiply 52 90, plus 36 76, 55 90, 52 90. 36 76, multiply 35 90 and multiply 38 90. Now we have to calculate it. By multiplying it, we get 90 multiply by 90 multiply by 76, we get 615600. 40 multiply by 35 multiply by 52, we get 72800. Again 615600. 36 multiply by 55 multiply by 52, we get 102960. And 615600. 36 multiply by 35 multiply by 38, 47880. Now we have to add this, plus 102960 plus 72800, and we get 22364061560. 22364, and it's come in the table of 4. Yes, both come in the table of 4. Now we will divide the 22364 divided by 4 and we get 5591. And now 61560 divided by 4 and we get 15950. And now students, this is the probability and this is the answer of part number 3. Now students, question number 11 is solved. Now students, question number 12. In a wardrobe there are 16 shirts, of which 8 are black, 6 are white and 12 are blue. The shirts are identical except for their colors. In part number A, if 2 shirts are taken out of the wardrobe, find the probability that both are black. Now we have to find the probability that the both shirts are black. That the black shirts are 8 and the total number of the shirt are 16. So the first shirt we can come out of the wardrobe is probability is 8 by 16, and the second shirt we can take the one shirt already, then the second shirt probability is 7 by 15. One is less than the first one, so we can write the probability like that. 8 by 15, one shirt is taken out already, black, and that's why it is 7 and 15. This is 8 over 16. Now we have to solve it at 1 times and 2 and 15 2 times 30 and 7, and the probability you take 2 black shirt is 7 over 30. Now students, part number 2, one shirt is black and one shirt is white, and you know that the white shirt are in the wardrobe is 6. So we write the probability like that. Probability of one shirt like that black and white. Probability white, and black. So we can write it like that. There are total number of 18 shirts and 16. One is taken out, and that's why the it's become total number of become less than, one less than, and that's why it is 15. The white shirt are 6 by 16, and the one shirt is taken out, and the left total number of the left shirts are 15. Now we write the probability like that. Now we have to solve it. This is 1 by 2, 2 and 3, 3, 1 times 3 and 3. We get 1 over 5, and we have to solve it. 3 2 times 6 and 3 5 times 15. 8 1 times and 2. 2 cancels 2, and we get 1 by 5. Now we have to add it. We get 2 by 5. And this is the probability of part number 2. Now students, the probability is now students, part number 3. The two shirts are of same color, and there are the three colors of shirts: black black, probability of white white, and third one is blue. You can see there, black, white, and blue. And there is a probability of blue and blue. When we take one shirt black, it is 8 over 16 multiply 7 by 15. White 6 by 16. One shirt is taken out, that's why the total number of, and one shirt is less than in the for the second shirt. 2 over 16 multiply by 1 by 15. Because the same color, and that's why the one shirt in denominator and numerator are less than the first one. Now we have to solve it. 2, and it comes 7 over 30, and 3 1 times and 2 and 8. It's come 1 over 8. We get 120. Now we have to solve it. We have to take the LCM of 30, 8 and 120. Both come in a table of 2, and all these values are come in the table of 2, 4 and 2 660. Now it's come in the table of 4 1 times and 4 15 times. 15 1 1 1. Now we get the LCM 120, and we have to solve it. 4 7 34 times 120, and 4 7 times 28. 8 15 times and 15 1 times 15 20, and now by adding it we get 44 over 120. 4 4 11 times 44, and 4 30 times 120. And now students, this is the answer. This is the probability of part number 3. Part number B, if the third shirt is taken out from the wardrobe, calculate the probability that all the three shirts are black. Now the three shirts, we have to take out the three shirts, and now we have to calculate the probability of three shirts. And the probability is black, black, and black. The first shirt is 18 by 16, the taken out, and it's become 7 by 15, and then is 6 over 14. Now students, we have to calculate it. 18 1 times 2, and 2 1 times and 3, 3 1 times and 5, 7 1 times and 2, and we get it 1 over 10. The probability is 1 over 10, and this is the answer of B part. Now students, C part, can we use multiplication law of probability to obtain the answer in B? Explain your answer. No. We can't use the multiplication law of probability to obtain the answer in B because it is the dependent event. The one shirt, if we taken out, the one shirt is less than in the other. That's why its answer is no. We are not using the multiplication. In the dependent events, the multiplicative law of probability is not used. The in which we can find that the multiplication law of probability in which questions are used, the answer is maybe the probability of A or maybe the probability of B. And in this we have to use we have to multiply both the probabilities and we get the answer. And that's the multiplicative law is not applicable. We have to simple multiply the both probability because this is a dependent event. The one shirt is taken out and there is a less in the other in the next probability, and that's why this is a dependent event, so we can write the answer is no. No, because the selection of three black shirts are dependent event. Three are dependent event. And now students, the question number 12 is solved. Now students, question number 13, the 10 cards are marked with the letter P, Q, O, T, R, T, I, O, and N respectively. These cards are placed in a box. Two are card drawn at random without replacement. And calculate the probability. That without replacement means that when we take out the one card, we can't put it again, and this means without replacement. The first card be at the letter O. We have to find the probability of a letter O. There are the letters O in three cards. That's why the probabilities of it is 3 over 10. Simply the first card bears the letter O. We can write its probabilities like that. 3 by 10. This is the probability of the cards which bear the letter 3 by 10. Now, so it's part number 2. Probability two cards bear the letter P and O in that order. It means that first is P and then is O. We have to find the probability of it. The probability is P and O. And we have to write it like that. The probability of P is 2. The 2 P cards and total cards are 10. The 1 and the 3 O cards. 3 O cards, 1 card is taken out because this is without replacement. And then there is come the 9. Now we have to solve it. 3 1 times 3 and 2 1 times and 5. And we get 1 by 15 in the probability of part number 2. And O in any order. There is an any order. We have to there is not any order is given to us, and so we can write the probability as that first come P then O, and or maybe that probability first come O and then P. We have to write 2 by 10 and 3 over 9 plus 3 by 10, and the one card is taken out, so there comes the 9. And by simplifying it we get 1 by 15, 1 by 15, and we get the answer 2 by 15. That is the probability the two cards bear the letter P and O in any order. Now cards bear the same letter. We are talking about two cards which bear the same letter. There are the three letters which are repeated, and the letter N is only the one letter. It is not repeated, so we not writing this. We write which cards are two or more than two. So we can write the probability RR and probability OO and probability PP. And this is 2 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 9. because the R card is taken. That's why it's less in the numerator and denominator both. 3 by 10, 2 by 9, 2 by 10 and 1 by 9. Now we have to solve it, and this 2 and 90, this is 2 and 90, 6 and 90, 2 and 90. By adding it we get 1 and 90, and by solving it we get 1 by 9. And this is the answer of part number 4. Now students, this question is solved. Balls numbers 1 to 5, 8 and 9 are put in a bag. One bag is selected at random from the bag. Write down the probability that is number 8. We have to write the first probability of um, a ball who has number 8, and the total number of balls are 5, and the one ball has number 8, so the probability is 1 by 5. Very simple. Now students, the ball probability of ball number 8, this is 1 by 5. Now students, part number B, and its one part is number on each ball is even. Now we have to write the probability that each ball has even number. There are the two even numbers. There is 2 and 8. This one is probability, and the 8 and 2. And this was it, probability. Now we can write it 1 by 5, because the one ball is of number 2, and the probability of 8 is 1 by 4. In the denominator the number is less than 5, because one ball is taken out. That's why. This is 1 by 5 and 1 by 4. Now we have to calculate it. We get 1 by 20, and 1 by 20 get 2 by 20, and by simplifying it we get 1 by 10. And this is the probability of part number 1. Now it's solved. Part number 2, sum of number on a ball is more than 10. Now we have to write the probability of those number which we add and get the number more than 10. That is 2 and 9. And again probability is 9 and 2. And then the probability is 5 and 8. We have to combine the number, and 8 and 5. Probability 5 and 9, and probability is 9 and 5. Probability 8 and 9, and probability is 9 and 8. All these numbers are those number when we add and we get the more than 10. And how we have to solve it, there is no need to write in all the numbers and then we have to calculate it. We have to make our calculation easy. We know that our probability is 1 by 5 of first ball, and the second ball is 1 by 4. So we can count these numbers. All these probabilities are 1 by 5 and 1 by 4. And now we have to calculate it like that. We have to first count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8, and all has the same probability, 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 4. Now we calculate it for 1 times and 2 times, and we get 2 by 5, and this is the probability of part number 2. Now it's solved. Now since part number 3, number on each ball is not a prime number. Now we have to write the probability of the balls which are not a prime number. 1 and 8, and 8 and 1, again 1 and 9, and 9 and 1, 8 and 9, and probability 9 and 8. We have to again calculate it like that. We have to first count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am doing that because all of these probability are same. This is 1 by 5 and this is multiplied by 1 by 4, because there is only a one number of each number. So we can write it like that. and 4 2 times and 3, we get 3 by 10, and this is the probability of third part. Now students, fourth part, probability only one ball is odd number. Now we write the probability is odd number, 1 by 2, and probability is 2 and 1. 1 and 8, only one ball is odd. This is one odd and one even number, and 8 and 1. First we have to combine 8 with different numbers. Then there is a prime number, a odd number is 5. 2 and 5, 5 and 2, 2 and 9, 9 and 2, 5 and 8, probability 8 and 5, and probability 8 and 9, and probability 9 and 8. These all has one odd number. And now we have to know that the all the probability are same, 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 4. Now we have to count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. This is 12, and this is 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 4. 4 1 times 4, and 4 3 times 12. We get the answer 3 over 5. And now students, this is the answer of fourth part, and this question is solved. Question number 15, the box A has contained 7 blue balls and 5 yellow balls. Box B contains 3 blue balls and 7 yellow balls. One ball is removed at random from box A and placed in a box B. After thoroughly mixing the balls, a ball is drawn at random from box B and placed back into the box A. And this is a situation. First we have to draw the, in part number A, we have to draw the tree diagram to illustrate this experiment. We have to understand one thing, that one ball is removed from box A and it put into the box B. Again, one ball is removed from the box B and it put it back into the box A. That is the situation that is given to us. And according to this situation, we have to solve these probabilities questions. Now, first we have to draw the tree diagram. Let's see. Box A has 7 blue and 5 yellow balls. So we can write it like that. Blue and yellow. Total number of balls are blue, and total number of balls are 12. 7 by 12 and 5 by 12. And yellow are 5. Again, blue and yellow. Blue and yellow. One ball is taken from the box, a bag. One ball is put into the bag B. There are the total number of the bag. Now students, we can understand it that the total number of the balls in the box B contains 10 balls, but one ball is placed into the bag B. That's why the total number of the balls become 11. 11, and there is a probability of getting the blue balls 4, and also the probability of getting the yellow ball. So we can write the probability like that. In the first step, when he got the blue ball, it's 4 by 11, and this is 7 by 11. This is the box A, and this is the box B. Okay, this is the box. One is box A and box B. And when it gets the yellow box ball, the probability is 3 by 11, and there is a probability of getting the yellow ball, and it's become 8 by 11. And now students, this is the tree diagram. I hope so you understand it, that the one ball is taken. That's why the total number of the balls is given to us is 10, but one ball is taken from box A. That's why it become 11. When yellow is taken, 11 number rises in the numerator, and when the blue ball is taken, the Blue ball number is rises in the numerator in the box B. For B, first part, probability box A has more yellow ball than the blue ball. There is zero probability because there is seven blue balls in the yellow balls in the box B, and there is five yellow box. So the probability is zero. Now students, part number 2, the probability of box A has exactly 7 blue and 5 yellow balls. That the probability that the box has exactly 7 blue and 5 yellow balls. So we can write the probability that he get the exactly 7 blue and 5 yellow balls. The probability, we write it like that, blue blue, and we have to, or the probability is yellow yellow. And you know that from the T diagram we can understand it, that there is a blue ball is 7 by, in the A box is 7 by 12, and we have to get the exactly 7 balls in the box A. We have given one blue ball, that's why we have to combine these probability, 7 by 12 and 4 by 11, then we get the exactly blue ball 7. So we can write it like that, 7 by 12, 4 over 11, and 4 1 times 4 and 4 3 times, 7 over 33. Now the exactly yellow 5 yellow balls. We have given the one ball, and that's why we have to write the yellow probability. Maybe we given out the taken out the yellow ball, that's why we have to combine this probability. Why we have to write it there, 8 by 11. Now we have to solve it, 4 2 times and 4 3 times, and we get it, and we get it 10 over 33, and by adding it we get 17 over 33. This is the answer of part number 2 of B part. Now students, we have to combine this probability because the one ball is taken from the yellow box A, that is the yellow ball, and one is given in the box B, and this is a blue ball. Then it's become 8 balls blue and 4 balls yellow. Then it's become twice. So we write the probability of this yellow and blue, and we can write it 5 by 12 multiply by 3 over 11. And now by calculating it, we get 3 1 times 4 and 5 over 44. And this is the answer of third part. And now students, question number 15 is solved. I hope you understand these questions very well. Thank you very much students for watching my videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.